Hi guys! So nandito kami sa bahay ni ate kasi susunduin namin siya kasi magdi-dinner kami sa labas. Tapos meron daw gusto sa amin makipagkita or gusto kami makita. Kaya sabi ko, sige aakyat muna kami doon sa taas. Kaya tawagan ko muna si ate guys. Give me my phone, I want to call ate. Tawagan natin siya, inform natin na nandito na tayo sa bahay niya. Ate, ate is there?
Yeah, I see.
Okay. So, andyan na si ate guys. Nakita na tayo. So, hindi na natin siya tatawagan.
She's coming.
So, she's coming. Mag-isa lang yata siya. Akala ko kasama yung anak niya. So, hindi na yata kami bababa guys kasi nandito na si ate sa Ito si ate guys, nandito na siya. Asan si ano mo, yung anak mo na lalaki, akala ko sasama.
Niloloko ka lang.
Ah,
Nagbibiro lang siya.
nagbibiro lang.
Lawi, nikil.
Sabi niya, I'm coming. So, nandito na guys si ate, sundo na namin. So, punta na tayo guys ng restaurant. Say hi ate!
You feel sleepy? Huh? You feel sleepy?
Hindi ka, kagising niya lang te.
Talaga?
Kasi nagising siya kanina ng alas 12. Tapos naglaro-laro na siya hanggang alas 5:30 naglaro siya. So pakaligo niya, natulog.
Sinabi?
Oh, yeah, let's go. Hindi talaga siya sasama?
Hindi, walang ako lang.
Okay. So nahanap din namin yung location te.
Oo, yan. Kaya nga, 8 minutes, side.
Wait daw ahan.
वो मुझे मालूम है.
So alis na tayo guys.
I know. मेरा.
Ha?
I know. वो मालूम है मुझे. आ जाओ. बैठ जाओ.
Tara ate. Oh, yan na si ate. Ang sexy ni ate ngayon, oh. Nagbihis na si ate ngayon. Oh. Mamayatin natin ulit si ate dito. Okay, let's go. Asan yung anak mo ate, yung panganay?
Ando, kasi may meeting.
May meeting. Okay, may lang.
Nag-ano siya,
So, dito kami guys kakain sa, anong tawag dito? Muddan?
Matuban.
Matuban.
Later.
merong board doon sa
Oo nga, ang taas. Para siyang hotel. Di galing kami dito nung nakaraan, kaso may isda.
This is the Ganpati.
Galing kami dito guys nung nakaraan, kaso lang full. So, ito yung ano nila.
Ganpati.
So, hindi kami natuloy. So, ngayon sana matuloy na. Hindi na siya, So, ito yung entrance nila. So, hindi siya masyado matao ngayon. Kasi hindi Sunday, kaya hindi matao. There, can ka? That side, yeah. Ay, din na lang, ha? Here daw. Mahilig kami sa sofa.
You, I think, sit here because you will take a rush.
Yeah. You sit with daddy na. There. Mag-order na tayo, guys. Ito yung menu nila.
Starter में क्या देते हैं?
So, buti na lang guys, hindi ngayon Sunday. So, hindi dito matao. Noong nakaraan guys, pumunta kami dito. Ang daming tao. So, hindi kami nakakain. Ngayon, makakakain na kami. So, yung order ko guys is mutton biryani. Kasi yung favorite ko.
Nag-aaway silang dalawa?
Ay, oo te.
Oh? Talaga?
Kasi ito, mahilig makialam sa gamit niya.
Ayaw naman.
Ito, ayaw niya. Ito naman kasi burara te. Kung hindi niya tinatago yung mga gamit niya. Tapos ayaw niya na pinakikialaman.
Burara, ayaw naman pakialam.
Oo. Tapos ito naman, kapag ginusto niya, gusto niya talaga. Iiyak siya te, pag di mo binigay. Iiyak yan te, madrama yan.
Mom, you're sure yung actress din.
Sure, I don't know, you hide maybe.
What?
It's okay, I take a video.
आपको YouTube में डालेंगे. YouTube में आ जाएंगे. Actually, you will be in YouTube. नहीं, वो बोतल कर देंगे. ठंडा नहीं. हाँ साहब. ये क्या पानी की बोतल साथ में लेके जाना है फिर पानी लेना चिकन टिक्का वो
Pizza.
This is pizza with chips here. So, put it there in the middle.
Give it to her. Give it to her.
Wait, share with ate. Try natin guys yung pizza nila dito. Ay, naku, nalaglag. Tingnan mo.
Let her na bridal. जो भी she will take over baby. क्या ना first? I will do. She calling from baby.
Hindi siya, alam mo, nung dati humahawak yung mga months old pa lang. Ngayon, nandidiri siya. Ewan ko ba dyan? Kahit sa plastic, gaganyan yun. May, ayaw na niyan humawak.
Sit down. You can ask. Joey, wait. I give you the plate.
Dati kumakain yan mag-isa, te. Nung nag 1 year old na siya, te, ayaw na niya.
Hindi pa kami nanonood sa
You put your sauce here,
Baka, ewan ko dito.
and I put the pizzas there.
Try mo na yung So, ang dal-dal-dal-dal ko na,
I
guys.
take for you, okay?
Panay ko ang dal-dal dito. Basta talaga makakita ako ng Pilipina, guys. Madaldal talaga ako. Kasi parehas kami ng lingwahe. So, ito na yung pizza nila. Yan. I think, kanila. Sariling bake nila yan. This one you bake your own? This one, restaurant, they bake their own?
Here, yes.
Okay. So, this one is, what is this, honey? Tandoori? This is tandoori, honey? Tandoori roti. And this one is the mutton
Mutton biryani.
biryani. And this is the paneer.
Paneer masala.
Yeah, paneer. This is my favorite. One of my favorite also. Yan. Middle mo, han. Simpan middle si mo. So, ayan. So, try na natin siya, guys. Yung mata nila dito. Tapos, yung paneer. Kasi may diok sa paneer.
नहीं लोग
So, andyan si ate. Ashby,
I don't like it. It will be better if I order margarita.
kumakain ka
Oh,
lang
you
sa
order now it's okay. Next time.
kumakain ka natin?
Kasi ayaw ko din. Pero pagka
Ang anghang niyan, te.
hindi pag nilagyan mo,
Pero alam mo, ate, naka-adjust na ako ng pagkain. Naka-adjust na ako ng pagkain nila dito, ate.
Maybe you put this one. I will put in here.
Okay.
For you?
Let me try this tandoori.
This is butter.
Ang
You want plain, right?
Yeah, ang
This is butter. This is plain.
ang oil. Ang daming oil. So, kalahati lang kasi tataba tayo. So, ganito.
Your food should be here.
No, I don't want.
Huh?
I'm cold.
You're cold.
Yeah,
Be strong, girl. Be strong. This one.
Huh. You know not. Order kar.
Anak, can you move there a little bit?
I feel cold there.
Better you sit with daddy there.
किसका? इसका जो तेज तेज है ना उसका नाम.
Yeah, ote. Marites.
How is the taste?
Yummy.
kung ano yung gusto mo, ano pa, sabihin niyo
Okay, ate. Ang sarap niya, te. So, yummy.
Ano siya?
Hindi yan, te, kumakain, te. Pasubo-subo lang yan, te. Hindi, te. Ay, pasubo-subo lang yan.
ये नहीं खाता है. खाता है थोड़ा सा. और सॉफ्ट हो.
So, yummy.
Pero ito sibuyas.
Ayoko, ate, maanghang.
Ayun, yun.
Ay, naku. Matan, guys. Matan. Ate. Where is the spoon? Give me. Try natin to, guys, na matan biryani.
French fries.
So, masarap to, guys. Matan.
Can I order a margarita pizza like this?
Yummy.
Here also is spicy. Look. This is not from the 100% pizza taste. The pizza, if you know originally, of course, in the pizza plate.
Fried rice sadya, okay?
Alright.
Roti mein.
Try natin to, guys, na pizza nila. Sabi ni Zoe, it's not yummy daw.
Thank you. Sir.
Something sweet.
Yeah,
Not
this is
spicy.
salt. Yeah, not spicy.
No spicy.
That's cheese, huh? We don't eat too much cheese.
Kasi ang dami niyang
You
ketchup
remove
eh.
the ketchup. Wait, I help you. I help you?
Ang dami kasing ketchup kaya ayaw niya. Dito guys, nagbibigay sila ng panghugas sa kamay na may lemon. So ito siya, ganyan. Hugas-hugas ng kamay. So hindi mo na kailangan pumunta ng washroom. Tapos, yan, malinis na yung kamay. Maligam-gam to. Ayaw,
Yeah, because you don't want the pain.
So, ito. So, next week, we invite ate. Yeah, like that. Okay. What is this?
Yeah, sweet. That's mouth fresh.
This is chili.
No chili, sweet.
This is look like, what's that? Raisin, no?
Yeah, it's mouth
Para,
fresher.
for after you eat, guys, kakain kayo ng sweets. Para siyang raisin. Tapos ito. Anong tawag ito? Ha?
Song. We calling song. The mouth fresher.
Jeera rice. Ay,
Jeera. It's not jeera. It's similar of jeera, but it's salt called. No,
para siyang para siyang anis. Ganon. Ganyan siya. Ate,
Kumakain ka na?
nag-try lang.
Ngayon lang?
Hindi, sa Brunei din kasi meron din sila, sa mga Indian restaurant doon kasi sa Brunei, meron din sila sugar, mga ganyan din. Ang hiling nito kainin sugar, yung square-square.
Mystery.
Yun yung Cinderella. Parang dalawa te. Apat ba? Fish daw te, fish.
Ha? Sinasabi niya?
Fish. What is it, Ashby?
उसको क्या बोलते हैं?
Ashby, what is this?
Shakar fish.
Ashby, what is that?
That one cleaning, yeah. Shakar fish calling.
Fish. So, nandito tayo ulit guys sa bahay ni ate.
You should be friend. That's the name. Now explain. You said you want to be digesting.
Oo. Doon ti sa bahay nila, akit baba ko sa hagdanan. Oo, do it.
I think last week he slim. I think within week he is fat already. Yeah?
You eat a lot?
Too much in rice.
Eating rice?
Yes.
Every day.
Every day?
Every day.
No, muta-muta ha? Muta-muta no ha? Difficult to find wife.
Oh shit.
Ay! You reduce also. Difficult to find.
Nung dumating siya galing ng Pune, ang
Slim.
Ayan na, isip.
Slim.
Patla है।
अच्छा
घर
घर का खाना नहीं मिलता है ना
वही है ना वही।
इधर भी थोड़ा रेस्ट हो जाता है
उधर मैं रेस्टोरेंट था, मेरा तो उधर रेस्टोरेंट था ना, उधर
बोले।
खुद ही का खाता था, मतलब खुद के रेस्टोरेंट का ही खाता था, वो भी बहुत कम, केवल एक बार के लिए पक जाता है खुद के
अच्छा, हाँ।
रेस्टोरेंट।
You like to eat? You like to eat?
I used to like nowadays.
I can see from body. You reduce difficult to.
Give me
After
3 months, then
you
I'll
see
come
the
to
one.
Philippines.
Who's that? The one get married with the billionaire? Oh, moto na?
But he
Money, moto.
Yeah, he's Asia's richest man.
Yeah, but money, moto.
Last time he's slim already.
Ah.
Very slim already.
Don't be like,
Fast.
don't be like him, okay?
Definitely. If I'm like this, then money.
Yeah. After marriage, then okay, moto.
Next 3 months, I'll become slim and I'll come to Philippines.
Okay. After when I return, I want to see you slim.
Definitely.
Okay?
6 packs.
I will count one. Now how many packs?
फैमिली पूरा बहुत खूबसूरत फैमिली है उसका बेटा है जो मोटा है वो भी बहुत स्मार्ट दिखता है
So if we are here, guys, we always laughing. Laugh is the best medicine.
उसको बोलने में तो थोड़ा वो तकलीफ है, बट जब पतला हुआ था कितना मतलब डिजास्टरस हो गया।
इवन अभी मोटा है उसका फेस देखोगे ना क्यूट है और हैंडसम है
क्यूट है, क्यूट तो है, क्यूट तो है।
12, alauna te.
I don't know why you are not talking.
Ay, ganun din te. Complain sa kanila doon sa bahay nila. Hindi ito nagsasalita ba? Oo, kasi nakakulong siya lagi sa kwarto.
Anong ginagawa niya?
Nagsa-cellphone.
Cellphone.
Tapos hindi talaga siya nagsasalita. Ganyan lang.
Mahihayin kasi.
Mahihayin. Lumalaki na
Baka
siguro.
nung bata pa siya, mahihayin siya. Itanong mo, sabihan mo nung bata siya.
Malikot
mahihayin.
yan, Tim. Nakulong nga daw yan. Kaya ano ba, got jailed ba before?
Naughty, ano?
Because he's naughty.
Yeah, I told her maybe.
वो इंडिया में तो
Bye-bye. See you next time.
Johnson.
जॉनसन
Ate, let's go. Bye-bye.
Where's Ate? Ate, thank you for
Ate, thank you so much, ha.
Ate is Ate.
Thank you so much.
No need to say thank you.
See you next time, okay?
I think my shoes are broken.
Yeah, you could. No, it's not broken.
Bro.
Yeah, I see ka. Okay. Andar tantay.
This is so.
अंदर डालते हैं
Andar tantay. समझा? क्या बोलते हैं?
You have to put inside.
Nami-miss ko. I will miss you guys.
Yeah.
Same.
I will come back
We'll stay
maybe.
connected either ways. Like you will be sharing the links and everything, na?
Yeah. I will.
We will find
We
Bobby
will
soon.
come back. Maybe I can come back after 2 years or 3 years.
Definitely.
We'll visit you again.
Then I'll be 2.
Yeah.
You'll be 4.
When I come back here, you should have
No, no, no.
baby, huh? No, you should have.
एक बेबी जल्दी कर दो।
हाँ.
फिर क्या
Faster,
बेबी बड़ा हो जाएगा
faster.
तो फ्रेंड्स रहेगा।
Faster, huh? Faster, huh?
लॉक
Faster.
कर दें।
Must be, So, uwi na tayo, guys. Ihahatid tayo nila ate sa baba. Here.
यामा वो मेरे पास 3 गाड़ी था।
Say bye-bye.
Ingat ka, ha? Ingat.
Thank you,
Thank you, ate. Thank you so
Para
much.
mahalin
See you
kang
next time.
para mahalin kang mabuti.
Ah.
Huwag mo laging awayin.
Oh, bye-bye, ha?
We will leave. We
Bye.
will call you.
Thank you. Tawagan. Yeah, see you soon. I will call you, ate, again. Pag alis na kami, ha?
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye, Benji.
Bye, Matan. Bye, chicken. Bye-bye.
If I should have took
It's okay na, anak. Here na.
Go na. She's a monkey.
She don't want to go inside.
इसको बहुत घूमने का शौक है। रखरो पार्टी।
Ay, monkey.
Bye-bye na kay ate. Bye-bye.
Kaya pala papa na.
Bye, ate.
Bye. Bye.
Okay, brother.
Uy, ate, wag na, te. Hindi na, te. Wag na kasi. Okay na libre. Ate. Wag na, te. Kunin mo na, te. Hindi na, te. Ala, honey, she give again this
Okay.
one. Oh. Ate. Matan kam.
Bye. Bye.
Matan. Matan kam. Matan. Oh, kam na. Uy, kam. Honey, you give. Ate, no need this. Ate, wag na.
Kasi first time niyang pumunta
Indian
dito.
culture, right?
Ha, baba. She don't know, ha? Teach her
Pero
something.
ate, naglabas na tayo.
Kaya nga sabi ko sa'yo, dito ka na tumira para alam mo yung culture dito.
O sige, thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay, ate. Okay.
Nakakaya na tuloy, te.
Huwag mong isipin yun. Okay? Huwag mong isipin yun.
O sige. Bye.
Basta mahalin mo asawa mo para ingatan kayong mabuti.
Subscribe and like. Bolo, please
O sige, ate, subscribe, like.
subscribe and like.
O, kayo, dali.
You have to say. Please subscribe and like.
And
And
share.
comment.
And share.
Don't forget to share.
And don't forget to share.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Good night.
Okay, good night, good night. Ingat, ingat.
Ingat. Ingat din kayo, te, ha?
Bye, Zoe.
Bye na, Zoe.
Bye, bye, auntie.
Good night.
Oh,
Done?
yeah. Ah, okay. Yeah, that one better, more better.
More done dyan, ha?
Here more easy, remember.
Okay.
how is